Yeah? Yeah, we're on? We're on? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Wolf. Fitzy Bltz'r here, up in Alliston, where the snow's still coming down. It's been snowing now for approximately 20, 24, 28 hours, and it's just not letting up, Wolf. As you can see behind me here, there seems to be a car. Not quite sure what kind of car this is. It's under a lot of snow, and we just might have to unbury it. As you can see, it's really in there, Wolf. Snow's really in there deep. But yeah, as you can see, the street's still covered, and things are a mess. I've been out here since 7:30 this morning, and it's just a disaster, Wolf. What's that? Yeah. Well, it's supposed to keep up probably until, later tonight and maybe into tomorrow morning hours. But it's not blowing at all, but it's just coming down probably about 4 to 8 centimeters an hour, so that sort of sucks, Wolf. Yeah, okay, well, Fitzy Bltz'r here reporting for CNN.